At Spartan Chemical, we make clean simple.
As a specialty chemical manufacturer, Spartan Chemical Company makes all of its own products right here.
And we keep an abundant supply on hand so we can keep the promise we make to our distributors to ship orders within 24 hours so you can always get what you need, when and where you need it.
We make it clean simple.
Whether here at Spartan Chemical's corporate headquarters or your place of business, training your staff is just one of the many benefits of being a Spartan customer.
CleanCheck, our customizable learning management system, makes the tough task of training simple, so you're in compliance, your staff is safe, and you get better results.
We make clean simple.
And with CompuClean, quality assurance, equipment management, and work scheduling are at your fingertips, so you can manage your business in the office or on the go.
We make clean simple.
We've grown to have a global presence with an international network of distribution in 40 countries. Within South America, we have plants in 11 countries and 75 highly trained sales professionals throughout the region.
But it all starts here in Maumee, Ohio, where we have 250 employees on our 136-acre campus. And we have nearly 100 sales professionals across the country that know how to make clean simple.
We're family owned and operated since 1956. The kind of place where real people answer the phones and we know our customers by name.
We make clean simple.
We make it simple to stay safe, with information that is complete and easy to read, and products packaged in a variety of sizes to fit your budget and your supply closet.
Our in-house research and development team consistently work to develop innovative and sustainable products and packaging solutions, so you can clean effectively, safely, and efficiently.
We make clean simple.
At Spartan Chemical Company, we're proud of our product, but we're even more proud of the chemistry we have with our distributors and end customers. We're a business that focuses on innovation, from products to services, manufacturing, and distribution. We've built a company and culture that is designed to make your job as easy as possible. Because at Spartan Chemical Company, we do much more than just make cleaning products. We make clean simple. On behalf of all Spartan Chemical employees, I want to thank you for your time. We look forward to each and every opportunity to be of service.